안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I did my Crash Landing on You inspired nail art. First, I'm applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat. Then I'm applying white nail polish. For my index nail, I'm using a green polish as a base color because I'm doing Captain Ree's camouflage military uniform. And I'm kinda overpainting it to cover up the white polish. Then I'll just clean up the sides. To create a camouflage design, I'm applying some weird lines of dark green. Followed by a brown nail polish. Then a light green shade. And an olive green shade. And that's it. Now for my middle nail, I'm using a pink shade. And I'll be doing this cute penguin that Captain Ree and his gang gave to Sari as a birthday present. I'm using a white acrylic paint to paint the penguin's shape. After letting it dry, I applied more layers of paint to make it more opaque. Then let's paint the details. And that's it. Let's move on to my ring nail. I'm painting it purple. It's a shade of Sari's outfit when she first landed on North Korea. Then I'm using this finger heart design. Then I'm applying a fast drying top coat to make the surface sticky. Then stamp the design. For my pinky, I made a piano key design to represent Captain Ree's love for playing the piano. For my thumbnail, the base color I'm using is blue. Then, I'll be painting a camera. This will represent Captain Ri and Seri's first ever encounter at Switzerland. After all of that, I applied top coat. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome chingus, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. 크게 오늘이야 여러분. 비디오를 봐주셔서 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 만나요. 안녕!